Rotation of figures. There are questions very often asked in Olympiads which are related to the concept of rotation of figures. So before going to the actual questions, let us discuss the concept very briefly. So suppose you are given this particular figure where you have got 4 pointers in 4 directions and A, B, C and D are written on the 4 pointed places for your easy identification. Now suppose you are asked what will be the resulting figure if you make one turn. So now let me show you what is one turn. One turn means that this A is upwards. So if you turn a complete one turn, then the figure will again be back to its original position. So we can say if you make one turn, then it is equivalent to turning to original position. Okay, now if I ask you what will be the look of the figure if I ask you to turn the figure clockwise 1 by 4 turn. This is clockwise and this is 1 by 4 turn. So clockwise means, as you already may be knowing, that the direction of rotation of the minute or hour hand or second hand in the clock is clockwise direction. So this is the original figure. So now if I ask you make it 1 by 4 turn, then if you keep rotating this figure in clockwise direction, so I am rotating this in clockwise direction. If you divide this one turn to 4 quadrants, then this will be 1 by 4 turn. This will be 1 by 4 turn. This is 1 by 4 turn. Now what is half turn or 1 by 2 turn? Then so our original position was this. Our original position was this. So if I ask you to turn half, then definitely this A will come downwards from up to down. This is half turn. This is half turn or 1 by 2 turn clockwise. And this is 3 by 4 turn clockwise. 3 by 4 turn clockwise. Again 3 by 4 into 4 is 4 by 4, which is 1. So this is 1 turn. Now if you are asked 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. So if you rotate the figure against the rotation of the hands of clock, then definitely this will rotate in this direction. So this is anti-clockwise rotation and you are rotating it by 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. So this is 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. This is 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise, which ultimately you will see that is the look of that figure is same as 3 by 4 turn clockwise. So now if you are asked to rotate the figure 1 by 2 turn anti-clockwise, so you already rotated 1 by 4 turn, so you will rotate it another 1 by 4 to make it half turn. So this is 1 by 2 turn or half turn, which is same as 1 by 2 turn clockwise. So 1 by 2 turn clockwise is same as 1 by 2 turn anti-clockwise. And similarly you are rotating it further and this is 3 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. 3 by 4 turn anti-clockwise, which is same as 1 by 4 turn clockwise. Now making it another 1 by 4 turn. So this will give you complete 1 turn. Let us now summarize what we have learned till now. So this was your test figure. This was your test figure and we have actually divided one full turn into quarter turns. So this, suppose this is a figure and if it turns this much, then this is equivalent to 1 by 4 turn. So what I mean to say, if this particular pointer comes over here, then this is 1 by 4 turn. Now again if this makes another 1 by 4 turn and this comes over here, this is another 1 by 4 turn from here to here. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means this is equivalent to 1 by 2 turn clockwise. Making another 1 by 4 turn, this is equivalent to 3 by 4 of 1 turn, and again 1 by 4 turn will complete 1 turn. That is 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 times is 1 turn. So let us write down in questions you are asked which of the following figure represents the figure if the test figure is turned 1 by 4 or 1 by 2 or 3 by 4 turn. So you see that in this figure A from here comes over here. So this is 1 by 4 turn clockwise. This A again from here comes over here. So this is 1 by 2 turn clockwise. A from here goes over here. This is 3 by 4 turn clockwise. A again back to its original position after making one turn. This is one turn clockwise. Now talking about anti-clockwise positions, so if you turn this A in anti-clockwise direction, so you can see that A from here goes over here. So this is equivalent to 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. And if this A again turns over here, you can see that this represents that figure. So this is 1 by 2 of a turn anti-clockwise. ACW is anti-clockwise. Again A goes from over here making one complete round in this particular direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. So remember that this is anti-clockwise direction and this direction is clockwise direction. So this is 3 by 4 turn anti-clockwise and this is again one turn anti-clockwise. At this moment of time, if it's not clear, then you please pause the video and see it again so that the things will be clear. So let's now move on to the question. Thank you for watching.